Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today let's dive headfirst into one of the most thrilling and controversial projects out there, Elon Musk's Neuralink. This groundbreaking venture aims to merge human brains with AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, will humans and AI really merge? Let's find out together. First off, Neuralink's goal is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine having supercharged cognitive abilities, or even treating neurological disorders just by implanting a tiny device in your brain. Yeah, it sounds like sci-fi, but it's happening right now. In January 2024, Neuralink conducted its first human trial with Nolan Arbaugh, who's paralyzed from the neck down. Initially, Arbaugh could control a computer cursor and even played games like Mario Kart using the Neuralink interface. Now that's a game changer. Although about 85% of the implanted tendrils slipped out, reducing its effectiveness, adjustments to the system helped him regain some control. Despite the challenges, Arbaugh remains optimistic. And hey, isn't that what innovation is all about? So how does this tech work? A small computer about the size of stacked quarters interfaces with hair-thin sensor tendrils inserted into the brain. The main challenge? Keeping these tendrils stable. But it's a work in progress, and every step forward is a step closer to Neuralink's vision. Speaking of vision, let's talk about Elon Musk. He's not just aiming to address neurological conditions. Musk envisions a world where telepathic communication is possible, thanks to Neuralink. And get this, he's also concerned about population decline and sees Neuralink as potentially part of the solution. That's a lot of responsibility for one tiny chip. Of course, there are ethical considerations we can't ignore. Data privacy, consent, and potential misuse of brain-computer interfaces are big issues that need addressing. The idea of someone hacking into your brain is pretty unsettling, right? Oh, and in case you didn't know, Musk's personal life is also intertwined with his professional endeavors. He and Siobhan Zilis, a Neuralink executive, welcomed a child in early 2024, adding to his growing family of 12 children. Musk is clearly invested in the future, and that includes shaping it with Neuralink. Looking ahead, Neuralink aims for mass production of its implantable chip, making it broadly available. Imagine a future where anyone can enhance their brain's capabilities with a simple procedure. It's both fascinating and a little scary, don't you think? So, will humans and AI merge? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Neuralink is pushing the boundaries and challenging our perceptions of what's possible. Stay tuned because the future is happening now. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of tech.